My name's Scott Stiles at Luther Hudson Chevrolet, and this is the all-new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado. The all-new Silverado has the optional 6.2-liter engine with 420 horse, paired up with a brand new 10-speed transmission. Forward collision alert with automatic braking, as well as lane keep assist to help keep you safe on the road. 2019 Silverado, with its redesign, we did end up adding 2 inches more cab room. We now have one of the biggest cabs in the industry. They've added rear ventilation as well as rear heated seats. They offer surround vision camera, so you can get a 360 overhead view of your vehicle if you're going to park or back up to your trailer. The all-new Silverado also comes available with a rear vision camera that allows you greater visibility while driving down the road or backing up. It has an available power lift and lower tailgate, and the bed's cargo space is 20% larger than all competitors. Now that you've had a chance to see some of the features of the all-new Silverado, why don't you come out and have a test drive? We're at Luther Hudson Chevrolet in Hudson, Wisconsin.